Welcome to Benabee Product Manager Installation Guide. Before you begin the install, you need to have the installation file, a license file for your Magento store, and an FTP client. Run the installation file. Click Next. Read the software license agreement and click I agree. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Shortcuts have been created on the desktop and in the Start menu. Run Product Manager for Magento Lite. Select your license file. License information is displayed. Click Finish. Now we're going to configure the application. Click Next. You can add a pre-production server if you want. Enter the server URL. Click Next. Create a username and password. Click Next. We're going to generate a PHP file required by the application to communicate with Magento. Choose a location to save the file. Click Next. Now we have to upload the file into the root folder of the Magento installation. Click Open File Location. You can see the PHP file. Start the FTP client and connect to the site. Upload the file to the Magento root folder. Close the FTP client. Click Finish. Type your password and click Connect. The installation is now complete and you can start to use Product Manager for Magento. Thanks for watching.